Welcome to Digital Electronics lecture series. I, Professor Hitesh Dolakia, is going to explain you 3x8 decoder in this session. So in my previous video, I have already explained you what is decoder. So decoder is a circuit which decodes an input to 2 to the power n number of outputs. So here you can see we have 3 inputs. So total outputs will be 2 to the power 3 means 8. Right. So here let me draw this basic block diagram which is there with 3x8 decoder. So that will give proper understanding. Like see, 3x8 decoder means here we have 3 input terminals. Let us say these 3 input terminals are A, B and C. Then at output side we have 8 outputs. So let us say this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. That is how total 8 outputs are there. And to enable this decoder, here we have enable terminal, and this is very important terminal, where if this enable terminal is 0, in that case this decoder will be disabled, right? So here E is enable terminal, where if you see E is equals to 0, then we can say decoder is disabled, and if E is equals to 1, in that case we can say this decoder is enabled. So disabled means this decoder output will be 0 no matter what is these lines, right? And if we say these lines which is input lines, so that is selection line, or one can say selection inputs, right? So if E is 0, then output is not depending on ABC, output will be always 0. And if E is 1, then based on this selection line ABC, output will get selected. Now see how output will get selected. So output selection, that is purely based on values of A, B and C. If it is 0, 0, 0, then Y0 will get selected. If it is 0, 0, 1, then Y1 will get selected. Likewise, as if ABC is 1, 1, 1, in that case Y7 will get selected, right? So let us try to understand all those things by truth table, so it will be more clear, like see how we can design circuit, right? So in truth table, let us say here we have enable line E, then A, B and C, and then we have outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7, right? And now in this enable line, as if this enable line is 0, then output is not depending on ABC, means don't care that I need to say, and output will be 0 in that situation, right? So all 7 lines that will be 0. But when enable is 1, at that time ABC is having total 8 combinations. So let me mention all 8 combinations first. So here you can observe, see ABC, so these are our selection inputs, and Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7, those are my outputs. Now let us try to understand how decoding operation is happening. So see, as if ABC, that is 0, 0, 0, then Y0 will be 1 and other outputs will stay 0. So here we can say Y0 decoding is happening. When ABC is 0, 0, 1, at the time Y1 will get decoded, means it is 1, and other outputs will stay 0. In case if 0, 1, 0, Y2 will get decoded and other output stays 0. In case of 0, 1, 1 of selection ABC, Y3 will get decoded and other output will stays 0. In case of 1, 0, 0, Y4 will get decoded and other output will stay 0. In case of 101, Wi-Fi will get decoded and other output will stay 0. In case of 110, Y6 will get decoded and other output will stay 0. And in case of 111 means 7, so Y7 will get decoded and you will be finding other output will stay 0. So see, this is how decoding is happening at output side. Now I'll explain you how we can make circuit from this truth table, right? So to make a circuit, first see, we need to make it with respect to selection line ABC. So here I'm making selection line, let us say A, B and C, and these are active high line which is there with selection lines. And here in parallel with that I am also making inverting lines, right? So here A bar, B bar and C bar, that is what I am connecting, right? Now if you want to make a circuit for Y0 decoding, then you see when ABC is 0 0 0, at that time Y0 will get decoded, right? So here if I say we have Y0, then ABC is 0 0 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar that we need to connect. So here you see C bar, B bar and A bar that I am connecting, right? To have decoding of Y1, ABC should be 0 0 1 means A bar, B bar, C that we need to connect. So here we have Y1 and A bar, B bar and C that we need to connect. To have decoding of Y2, see ABC is 0 1 0 means A bar, B, C bar. So A bar, B and C bar that we need to connect. To have decoding of Y3, you see it is 1 over here means ABC is 0 1 1 means A bar, B and C that we need to connect. To have decoding of Y4, we need to have ABC that is 1 0 0 means A, B bar, C bar, right? So here we have A, then B bar, then C bar that we need to connect. For Wi-Fi decoding, you see this is Wi-Fi which is 1 where ABC is 1 0 1, so A, B bar, C. So here this is A, this is B bar and this is C. That is how we decode Wi-Fi. And for Y6 means this 1, so at that time ABC is 1 1 0 means A, B and C bar that we need to connect. And for Y7 decoding, ABC that should be 1 over here, right? ABC that should be 1 over here for Y7 decoding. So A, B, C that should be active high. So you see I am connecting it. And very important terminal that we should not forget, that is enable terminal. So this enable terminal that should stay active high. So it should be connected as active high to all these AND gates, right? So this is what fourth terminal that I am connecting to input of all AND gates, and that is what resulting into decoding of output Y0 to Y7 with respect to selection line ABC, right? So here I'll give you one practical example, like see if E is equals to 1, if E is equals to 1 and ABC is 1 1 0. So if E is equals to 1 means it is enabled, and if ABC, that is 1 1 0, so 1 1 0 means what? See, A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0 means 6. So this Y6 that will get on, right? So as per that, if you want to make Boolean function, then I'll give you one example of Y7. See, Y7 that has to be A, B, C, E, right? As per this, A, B, C and E. If you want to write what is Y6, then Y6 is A, B, C bar, E. See, that is how this connection is there, right? So this is how 3x8 decoder functions, right? And here this decoder that we use it to select ICs. So this decoder that we can use it to select 8 different ICs. And usually I have seen 3x8 decoder that is very popular in memory interfacing, where if you have multiple ICs of memory, in that situation to have selection of memory IC, we use this decoder. So you see that memory interfacing in 8085 memory interfacing as well as 8086 memory interfacing, I have explained how we can select by using decoder, where sometimes we use this type of decoder. I hope that you have understood this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give your valuable suggestions, and based on your suggestions in future, I'll make videos which will solve your queries. So please give your valuable suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video.